Today is day 9 and we are going to do a parroting technique. Have you heard about parroting technique? And it's nothing but it's shadowing technique. Shadowing technique is an effective method to learn to speak English. And first of all, you should know the difference between learning a language and speaking a language. Learning a language is you are getting a knowledge about the language. Understanding language is like knowing about the grammar and learning about the vocabulary, the sentence pattern, how the words sound, etc. But speaking a language is like using it in real life. So you are gonna use a language to communicate something, to connect with something, or you use a language to solve a problem. Think of this like studying a map and actually taking a journey by using that map. So studying a map is like understanding or learning a language, and taking that journey is like speaking that language. So this shadowing technique is one of an effective methods of all the methods to learn any language. If you are on the journey to speak English fluently, you are in the right place because we are doing a 15-day challenge to speak English fluently before 2026 arrives, and today is day 9. We are going to do shadowing practice today. So I just divided this video into 3 partitions, and first one is what is shadowing, and second one I'm gonna explain why should we do it, and third one I'm gonna tell you how to do this. And finally, I have a challenge for you to do the task today, and you are going to do that too. So let's jump directly to this video. The first one is, what is this shadowing method? Shadowing technique is you listen to spoken English and you try to repeat the same dialogues at the exact same time as the speaker does. Basically, you are acting like an echo. What you're going to do is you are not going to wait for the speaker to finish the sentence or dialogue, but actually you are going to speak with them but a split second behind. This is actually an active listening technique. So what does mean by this active listening? You imitate the speech and you are keenly observing the sounds that they are making. You are copying the rhythm and melody of the language. What this shadowing technique does really is actually just training your ear and mouth to work together in real time. It's actually like a gym for your mouth and lips. This is the first thing it does. It trains your mouth muscles. Secondly, you got to learn the pronunciation. If you are a non-native speaker and imagine English is like a music, and you're going to absorb the music of English. So by this way, you are going to improve your pronunciation and fluency of this language. Thirdly, it connects your ears to mouth. Means is connecting your hearing to speaking, and this means is cutting the middle part of overthinking something in this language. If you want to articulate your own thought, you have to think it, you have to frame the sentence, and if you are unable to get the sentence directly in English, you have to think on it in your native language, then you have to translate. It's a lot of work in the middle, right? So it cuts short the middle part of overthinking and it's directly connecting your hearing to your speaking. Finally, it boosts your confidence in your voice. Sometimes when you speak this language, you may have a doubt that am I sounding perfect or am I sounding awkward? Because of this thought, you may get anxiety or you may hesitate to start a conversation or you may hesitate to speak this language. So when you follow this technique, it reduces anxiety and you will find confidence in your own voice. So the third partition is how to do it. First, you have to set up, means you have to select the right material. The material that is interesting to you. It can be a podcast, an audiobook, a YouTube blog, or TV show dialogue. And also you have to be so clear that the content you are watching or the content that you are listening, it should be at your level, at your English level, or it can be slightly above your English level. So how to find out that? So when you see the subtitles, you must understand 70 to 80% of the content that is shown in there. Then you can assume that you are choosing the correct content. If you're unable to understand any of it, it shows that the content is not right for you. Mostly the shorts with 30 seconds or 2 minutes would be so perfect for this practice. And be sure that when you first listen to the video, you switch on the subtitles. Now, secondly, we are going to do the shadowing practice. I have divided into step 0, step 1, step 2. So step 0, you understand what they are saying. Don't just do the shadowing practice blindly. Just listen to them. Now step number 1, you listen and murmur. You're not speaking loudly. You murmur along with them. Play the video. Murmur quietly. Don't care about the perfection. It's okay to be not perfect, but just murmur. Step 2 is active shadowing. Here you have to play the video and also you have to speak loudly. You are going to follow the speaker half or 1 second behind. You mimic the sound, you mimic the word stress, you mimic the rhythm pattern and the chunking of the words and the intonation. Third one is loop of mastery. So first you listen to it. Second, you play and murmur, means you speak quietly. Third, you are gonna play the video with no CC, with no caption, and try to record how you speak. First, you will feel silly and awkward. This is 100% normal. It's okay not to catch up with the speaker if they are speaking fast. You can reduce the speed if you want to. You can reduce the speed to 0.75x and you can practice, that's okay. So start slow by reducing the speed and choose quality over quantity. 5 minutes per day is better than 1 hour per week. Our goal is not to memorize a clip, not the content, but we are going to try to speak, that's it. And also I want to say that I have made a video how to do this shadowing technique with the demo. I'll put it in the card above, you can check that out. So your task today is you are gonna watch a video whom you like, whom you admire, and who has a clear and cool way of English speaking, an actor, a TED talker, or a YouTube blogger. Become their shadow for 5 minutes. Practice regularly. You will see a great change. I'll meet you in day 10. Bye.